As kids, they were abused for years by a man who was supposed to take care of them. On Wednesday, Raven-Dominique and Jeffery Gobeil confronted that man in court, reading from victim impact statements about how their lives were devastated by what he did.
The last time I saw him, I think I was like 5 or 6 years old, being apprehended and placed in the back of a police car.
For years before that, they were being sexually assaulted by Thomas Martin Butler, the father of their half-siblings. Butler was convicted of more than a dozen offenses after a trial last year. Prosecutors want him sentenced to 25 years because of how bad the abuse was. Butler's defense wants 10 years for the now 69-year-old, citing his age and health issues. The judge will decide his fate in March. In most cases, survivors of sexual abuse aren't named to protect them, but the Gobeil siblings wanted to be identified.
I'd like people to know and understand there's no shame in being a victim. And part of my case is I was told by my abuser to never speak on what happened to me. Now I'll tell everyone.
I think it's important to remind people that, we're actually people, we are individuals, we exist, we accomplish things despite what's happened to us.
She's now a lawyer focused on child welfare and First Nations law. Her brother, a social worker and comedian. They hope sharing their story could help others find a way forward.
But it is possible to not only get through this process, but to come out thriving.
He says he's already started hearing from other survivors of abuse about how they might be able to find the courage to come forward too. Caitlin Gowerluck, CBC News, Winnipeg.